Hello students, in this video we are going to use identity third to find out the product of these questions. You can see here I have written 4 questions, and here we are going to use third identity. And what is the third identity? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Means anywhere you are finding any question in this way, something is written like this, you may write or you may expand that expression in this way, or somewhere you are finding this expression, the product form of the two terms, two expressions, so you may convert it into this way. But what's the condition? The terms should be same, but the operation should be different. Okay? So here you can see in this question what we are getting. We are getting this side here. In all the questions we are getting this side. Clear? So it is 2x plus 7y, 2x minus 7y. So we have to find out, means a plus b and a minus b. 2x plus 7y, 2x minus 7y. What is the value of a here? It is 2x. And what is the value of b? It is 7y. So we are knowing that expansion of same terms with opposite operations is equal to a square minus b square. Means it will be 2x whole square minus 7y whole square. Now what will be the answer of this one? It will be 4x square minus 49y square. Okay? Now in this b part, x plus x upon 3, x upon 3. Now identity is same because the terms are same but the operations are different. So identity is same, so square of the first term, x upon 3 square, and then second term, square of second term, that is y upon 2 square, and mid operation will be minus, subtraction. What is the square of x by 3? It will be x square upon 9 minus y square upon 4. So this is the answer of our second question. Now what about these decimal fractions? 0.1 m minus 0.2 n into 0.1 m plus 0.2 n. Again we are getting the same terms but with opposite operations, means we have to use identity third. So what is the value of a here? It is 0.1 m, and in the answer what we will write? 0.1 m whole square, then 0.2 n whole square and minus sign. Now what we are writing? 0.1 square of 0.1, and be careful while you are calculating the square of decimal fractions, it will be 0.01 m square minus, now square of 0.2, it will be 0.04 n square. This is the answer of this decimal question. Okay? Now this one, it's looking little complicated type, okay, but don't get uncomfortable with these type of questions. Again the value of a is what? A cube, and when we will use the identity it will be a square. So a cube का square और b cube का square और बीच में minus sign. ठीक है? Then by the law of exponent, एक पावर और उसके ऊपर दूसरी पावर, so it will be multiplication. So a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. So this is the solution of this part. So you may try many questions which are in the same form. I have taken few questions only. Please try the rest. Thank you.